Are you missing desktop shortcuts? Well, have no fear. In this video, we'll show you some fixes to this problem. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Let's start with restarting the File Explorer. Go to the Task Manager, then find File Explorer. Click on it, select Restart, and see if the desktop icons are back after that. Maybe you accidentally hid your desktop icons. Let's check. On the desktop, right-click, go to View, and make sure that Show Desktop Icons is checked. Perhaps resetting them to their defaults will help. To do this, we need to go to Settings, then go to Personalization, go to Themes, scroll down to Desktop Icon Settings, click on the box with the arrow. In the Desktop Icon Settings, make sure that everything's there, then click on Restore Default. Click on Apply and OK. You might want to restart your computer to see if this works. And finally, you can try rebuilding the icon cache. We did an informative video on how to do this, and we'll include a link to it in the description. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.